While the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G was an amazing phone at launch, some aspects of it may feel outdated. However, this phone still has a number of advantages that make it worth considering. Although this phone used to be sold at a fairly fantastic price, in fact, now this phone has experienced a considerable price reduction. In the past, this phone was priced at around $799, and for now we can get it for $259 to $294 on the Amazon store. And is this phone still worth it if we use it this year? The answer is of course still very feasible, and we will give some reasons. First, high-quality materials. One of the things that is immediately striking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G is the use of high-quality materials in its manufacture. The device is equipped with a strong and elegant metal frame. This combination of materials gives it a sturdy yet visually appealing feel. And secondly, the screen is still dazzling. Awe-inspiring visual experience with the high-resolution dynamic AMOLED 2X display provides an outstanding visual experience. The vivid colors, deep contrast, and adaptive refresh rate make multimedia content look sharp and realistic. The responsive screen is also an advantage in gaming and watching videos. Thirdly, the performance is quite robust. While the Exynos 2100 chipset may not be as powerful as the latest chipsets launched after it, the Galaxy S21 5G still offers robust performance for most everyday tasks, such as running apps, browsing the web, and playing games. Fourth, the camera system is still fairly advanced for photography and videography. The Galaxy S21 5G is equipped with an advanced rear camera system, including main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Features such as space zoom, night mode, and 8K video recording capabilities allow users to capture moments with incredible detail. The high image quality and extensive editing capabilities make it an ideal choice for photography and videography lovers. Fifth, system operation. Indeed, this phone was released in 2021, with the operating system or OS Android 11, but take it easy, this phone still gets OS Android 14, so it's still safe. Sixth, additional features. Various additional features such as facial recognition, fingerprint sensor, and 5G connectivity make the Galaxy S21 5G an attractive choice for users who want the latest technology. In addition to the above advantages, we think there are a few disadvantages such as no microSD slot. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G does not have a microSD card slot for storage expansion, which can be a drawback for users who want additional storage flexibility. But considering the price is already quite affordable, perhaps this drawback isn't that big of a deal. As such, the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G not only stands out in terms of performance and features, but also in its attractive and innovative design. It's a great choice for those who want a smartphone that's not only technically advanced, but also takes into account the aesthetics and comfort of daily use. And okay, maybe that's all we can say, and thank you.